near. My super sense is telling me that danger is near. I'm not a superhero, I'm not that kind of guy. Basically, long story short, I waited online. I literally waited online for 3 hours to get the conspiracy palette for Shane and Jeffree Star, and I finally got through even though the website died, Shopify died, everything fucking died. So today, I'm not going to go in depth into the palettes just because y'all have obviously seen them already. Like, they're all over the internet, like it's a big thing. So basically, I have the mini controversy palette right here, courtesy of Colin. He sent this to me, which is really awesome because it wasn't on the website when I, you know, placed my order because it wasn't. Oh geez, my battery's gonna die already. That's so funny. Okay, so anyways, once this dies, we'll just change it out. But here's the conspiracy palette. You guys have already all seen this. I'm keeping the boxes for both of them. I've already used the conspiracy palette, but now I'm filming the video. So here is the beautiful, beautiful conspiracy palette. And you know, y'all have seen it, like stunning, stunning colors. Beautiful fucking colors, like wow. We love, we stand. This is beautiful. This is honestly like so fucking, so beautiful. So what I'm gonna be doing is taking, here's a mini controversy. Isn't that so pretty? Like, come on, hold on, ready? Like, oh my goodness. Like, wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so they're out of the boxes now. I have NIKKIETutorials playing on my TV right now because I'm gonna try to follow her looks. I don't have gems, so we're doing the looks without gems. I'm going to try following a NIKKIEtutorial makeup tutorial, I guess you can say. I'm gonna be following a NIKKIEtutorials tutorial. She did the conspiracy palette and she dipped into the mini controversy palette. So I'm gonna try to follow her tutorial. I'm gonna change my camera battery real quick and I'm gonna come right on back and I'm gonna follow what she does on her eyes. It's not gonna be good. I can tell you that right now, but we're gonna try our best. So let's get into the video.
The official color I'm dipping into is Pigment, and it is a lovely pig pink, and that is going on the outer portion of the crease. So I'm first stamping it on and letting the base act as a magnet, and then we'll focus on blending and like the shape and all that. So I definitely want that drama today, so I think we're gonna wing this out, go for like that full extra moment. Again, just stamping, working on the color payoff, but this is stamping on pretty well. I'm dipping into my pills for my transition, and using my pills, I'm gonna smooth and blend out that harsh edge here. Ooh, that's a good combo. So that is blending out absolutely incredibly. Like, do you see that fade is like so soft and smooth? It's called Exposed. All right, here we go. Stamping that onto the inner portion. Not a fact. And I'm using this to smoke out the outer edge of the lash line. Dipping into Diet Coda, and I'm dipping this onto that part of the lid that we haven't really touched yet. Oh, I like that a lot. In the black of the palette, my rights here, I'm first gonna map out where that line should go. Said yellow, let's use it, shall we?
But like, it looks good for her, so.
Let's dive into crazy. Ranch, another color we haven't used yet.
Holy crap.
Highlighting light to pop out those inner corners.
Oh, I should look for that fucking email. Actually, you know, I should add my fucking email to this one, actually.
It's so funny. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I was in focus for half of this because I've just been like laughing at myself. All right, people, I put some lashes on. Well, the tea is, obviously, Nikki did a better job. But like, I don't have any rhinestones, but like, we tried. We tried. I'm gonna follow her, her natural look now. So, let's just hope for the best.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Start off with that beautiful, stunning brown called Diet Root Beer. I'm just applying this to the outer corner, and this is basically gonna be the main color that is gonna be blown up. Taking Tannicon, that is used to create that depth here on that inner crease portion. I mean, on the lid, time for a little bit of green. Oh my God, Conspiracy.
Okay, so basically,
I just don't know, because like, today we started at 5:30, but the room started at 5. I just need to know what time we're doing this so that I'm ready for that shit.
we tried.
That's tomorrow? Yeah, start tomorrow. So, deal with Robert on the morning? What the fuck is it?
Not gonna lie.
Oh, right. That Phoenix thing is very fun.
If I had rhinestones, maybe it would look better. I didn't end up getting my hands on any of the lipsticks, so to complete this, I'm just gonna go in with the Revlon matte lip color. I hate it. but I couldn't get my hands on anything from the Shane collection, so I want to put something on. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if y'all got your hands on the palette, if you like it, all that kind of good stuff. So obviously I love Shane so much. I've been watching him since I was too small to be watching Shane. Let me tell you, when I was in school, I didn't have a computer, I didn't have a phone, I didn't have that kind of stuff. So when I did my homework, I had to do it on my mom's computer. So when I was on my mom's computer, I would always have a YouTube tab open watching Shane. It was like the time of Shane Dawson TV and all of that stuff. And I would always watch him, and my parents would come in the room and they'd just be like, turn this shit off because you know he is a vulgar motherfucker. But honestly, like, I've loved him since I started watching him, and like to see him create such a big project with such a great person, like Jeffree has given Shane the confidence and everything that he needed, and they work really well together. So like, honestly, Shane deserves this. Shane deserves the world. I know that the website had its little issues in the beginning, but like honestly, like so many people were there to support Shane, and it's really actually great that that happened, because it just shows how many people were trying to support, and like so many that the website literally died. All of the websites literally died. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I don't think that it turned out like that bad. I mean, if I had rhinestones, maybe it would look a little bit better, but I don't know. I think it turned out okay. I like the natural look. I don't love this unless it's like for something like crazy, but maybe I'll try it again sometime and see if I could do it better than this. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye.